Have you ever wondered how your body fuels itself for peak performance and health? It's a fascinating dance of energy, balance, and metabolism, a complex system that's crucial to understand if you're looking to maximize your health and performance. In the heart of this system lies a molecule named ATP, our body's primary energy storage. It's like a miniature battery, powering our cells and keeping us going. Understanding how your body stores and uses energy is key to achieving optimal health and performance. So where does this energy come from, and how does your body store and regulate it? Let's dive right in. Think of ATP, also known as agnosia, and triphosphate as the body's miniature batteries. These tiny powerhouses are circulating in every cell of your body, ready to provide the energy you need to perform everything from the most basic to the most strenuous tasks. But how does it? When your body requires energy, ATP springs into action, releasing the stored energy within its molecular structure. This energy fuels your cells, allowing them to perform their respective duties, whether you're running a marathon, lifting weights, or simply breathing. ATP is there powering every cell, every muscle, every organ. It's like a well-oiled machine, continually working, continually providing the energy you need to keep going. ATP serves as your body's energy currency, powering every cell and keeping you going. Now that we understand energy storage, how does this relate to energy balance and weight regular? Well, let's start with our bodies primarily utilize carbohydrates and fats as energy sources. When you eat, your body experiences a short-term positive energy balance, storing the excess energy for later use. However, when you're not eating, your body taps into these reserves, creating a temporary negative energy balance. These fluctuations are entirely normal part of the body's natural rhythm. But what about long-term energy balance? That's where things get interesting. It's the balance between the energy we consume and the energy we expend over an extended period that determines whether we gain, lose, or maintain our weight. And here's a fun fact: our bodies are wired to avoid extended negative energy balance. Why? Because maintaining a positive energy balance is vital for reproductive success. So in essence, maintaining a balanced energy intake and expenditure is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and overall wellness. So what factors influence how much energy we expend, and how is it regulated? Well, it all starts with resting metabolism. This is the energy your body uses just to keep you alive, even when you're at rest. It's like the baseline for your body's energy needs, covering everything from breathing to maintaining body temperature, and it's required between 13,100 and 16,100 calories a day. Now, what factors influence this resting metabolism? A major one is your fat-free body mass. The more lean tissue you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate. But that's not the whole story. The energy you burn through physical activity, digestion, and temperature regulation also plays a part. These elements collectively contribute to your overall energy expenditure. Whether you're running a marathon, digesting a meal, or shivering on a cold day, your body is constantly working, burning energy. Your body constantly works to regulate energy expenditure, ensuring it has the necessary fuel for all its functions. But where does the energy in our food come from? That's a question worth diving into. You see, our food is primarily made up of three basic components: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a unique role in our bodies and provides us with the energy we need to keep going. First off, proteins. They're the building blocks of our bodies, essential for growth, but they also provide a small amount of energy when needed. Next, carbohydrates. They're our body's preferred source of energy, quickly broken down into glucose, which is used to fuel ourselves. Finally, fats. They're the most energy-dense macronutrient, providing a substantial amount of fuel, particularly during longer periods of low-intensity activity. So how does this all work? Well, the energy stored in the chemical bonds of these macronutrients is released when these bonds are broken down during digestion. Your body efficiently breaks down the food you eat into usable energy, power, and your every move. How does the body manage the sugars we consume? Now, glucose found in starchy foods plays a vital role in our body. Insulin, a hormone, steps in to regulate and stabilize the blood glucose levels, ensuring we don't crash or spike. But what happens when there's too much glucose? Well, the liver springs into action, efficiently converting this excess glucose into glycogen or fat, storing it for later use. Your body has a sophisticated system for managing the sugars you consume, ensuring your energy levels remain stable.